Okay, so we're going to talk about how you can get a lot of followers on your page in a very short amount of time. So first, let's talk about why you would want to do that. So the way we're talking about doing this, it's like it's not cheat, it's just like a really quick and easy way that you can get followers on your page. And what you do is you do it through Facebook promotions. So you're essentially promoting your page. And there's two ways you can do this. So the reason that you want to do this is because it's like any other social media. It's like Google. It's like Etsy, okay? The more activity Facebook sees on your page, the more it's going to show your page. So you can get, and you know, this is something that you have to spend money on. You can spend on any budget you want to. So you could do $100 in 3 days and you could get, you know, up to probably between 5,000 and 10,000 followers on your page. So it's shocking, I know, but it does work. So I thought I would just show you this because it can really help, especially if you're doing lives on your page, because although Facebook does show lives a lot more, if they're going to show lives from people who have 10,000 people on their page, a lot more than they're going to show it for somebody who has 200 on their page. Just kind of the way it works and the way their algorithm works. So I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of just doing a short promotion. How you can do a short promotion and get a good amount of followers on your page. Now, you're not specifically looking to get customers on your page. That doesn't mean that they won't be customers, okay? It just means that what you're really doing is you're trying to get your numbers up so that Facebook will show your content more. So I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to show you this from a much smaller page I have because I'm actually going to show you how this works. So we're going to set up a promotion on my page, and I'm going to show you how you actually get a ton just in a short period of time. Okay, so I'm on Facebook. I'm on my page. So I'm on essentially a mom page. And right down here, you'll see where it says promote. So you'd want to click on that. And you're going to promote your page. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go over to Canva. And you're going to click on Facebook ad. Then just go to background and you want to pick yellow. You want it to be bright because what you want is for it to catch people's attention. Okay, then you're going to go to text and you're going to click add heading and just put it right here in the center. Now I want you to open another browser page. And I want you to do a web search for 4 or 5 word inspirational quote. So it doesn't really matter where you find it. Anything that looks great to you. So we'll just see what we can find. So it's important that you keep it to 4 or 5. And the reason is because you have to remember that you're going to be, a lot of your ads are going to be seen on the phone. And so you want something that is going to fit within that, because you want it to be easy and catching. So I don't see anything here. Okay, let's see. So here's a good one. Powerful dreams inspire powerful action. So let's try that one. Whoops. Let's actually use the subheading. Okay. So powerful words inspires powerful actions. Let's make sure I got that right. Powerful dreams. Okay. All right, so then you just want to download it as a JPEG. All right, then you're going to go back over to your Facebook promotion. Okay, and you want to edit. So click on Add Creative Edit. You want to upload your picture. So you're just going to pick that one we just did. Now, what you're going to put here is you're going to put click and in parentheses like to like this page if you agree. So it's just that simple. You want to say something very simple. So Facebook won't let you do what they would consider clickbait, but you can say click like to like this page if you agree. I mean, that it's very simple. You know, you're not asking them to do anything except agree or disagree with what you're saying. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to come down and you want to click on people you choose through targeting. So once you have click like to like this page if you agree and you have uploaded your picture, you want to make your daily budget. It's better if you do it $20. So $20 the first day. There we go. All right, and I just want you to click promote. I don't want you to change anything else here. Just promote. Now, if you haven't set up for payment, you want to do that. Now, I'm going to show you what it's like if you do $100 in like 3 days, but you don't have to do that much. You know, you can do less. Okay, so now what you want to do, let me move this. Now what you want to do is you want to click on this little drop down arrow and you want to go to manage ads. So what we're doing is we're pulling up the Facebook Ads Manager. Okay. Okay, so we're looking for the promotion that we just set up. So we want to click on that promotion. So you want to click on this one that we just set up, and then you want to go to Ad Sets for Campaign. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click this little edit button. It's going to bring it up over here. Let me move my face here. Okay. There's only one thing you need to change in here. So the reason that you're doing this, okay, is that this will help you get the most reach for the least amount of money. So what you do is you go down and you look for audience. You're going to take out United States. It's automatically going to put it in there for you. And you want to type in worldwide. Okay. You may have to browse to find it, but you're looking for worldwide region. Okay, so you want to click that to include it. Then you want to click on this little drop down arrow and you want to exclude United States. You want to exclude Australia. There we go. You also want to exclude Canada. So the reason we're doing this is because these are the most expensive countries, okay? And you want to exclude the United Kingdom. There we go. All right. So then you just want to click publish. So it does take Facebook a little bit of time to go ahead and approve it. You'll get a message saying that they've approved it. And so what we're going to do is, all right, so I can just stop the share here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to give this 24 hours. And I'm going to come back tomorrow and I'm going to show you what it's starting to look like. So when I'm doing this, and I don't do this, I just did this. So I don't normally do this. It's a little hack that you can use on Facebook in order to get Facebook to promote your page a little bit more. So I did it to make sure it worked, and it does work. So I thought I would share it with you. And what I did is I spent $100 over a 3-day period, and I got 10,000, just like that. So I thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and share it with y'all because it's a really great way. So if you cut the budget in half, You know, it would be like $50 for 3 days. Even if you were just trying to get like 1,000 people on your page, you could see it would be pretty easy. So I'm going to show you over the next couple of days what this does. So there's another step you have to follow on the second day. And so I'm going to come back after it has been approved and it's been running for a while, and I can show you how many people have started to like the page. And I wanted to do it on a small page because I've never run really any promotions or anything on that page. And I think it will be a little bit easier for you to see what happens on a smaller page. So one that I don't really promote a lot, and I've really just started kind of using recently. All right, so I will be back soon to show you what's going to happen in the next step. Okay?